Yes is safe. Stage 1, landing burn.
We've got landing burn. You see the grid fins beginning to operate. Waiting to come through the cloud deck for a view of landing zone 4 at the old Slick 4 West at Vandenberg.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance. Landing leg
View from the ground camera, landing legs deploying.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And as you see on your screen, the Falcon 9 first stage has successfully landed at our landing zone, making this the second consecutive landing for this booster. And it also marks our 114th overall successful recovery of a first stage booster.